Hi everybody, I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to do a mini book haul which I decided to do and this February, it's a new month of second month of new year, and I did two book unboxing in January last month, and if you haven't watched those videos you have to click here. You can get the links here. Also, you can check out the links in the description. So without wasting your valuable time, let's get started. So the first parcel which has been delivered today from Flipkart. So I'm going to unbox it. And by the way, I had to spend how much? 555 rupees for 5 books. Can you imagine? It's amazing deal, and the books that I chose, these books are amazing. Like, they are sort of life-changing. Okay, one by one I will show you. So this one is the first book, so let me open it. Okay, scissors will help me. So guys, I also did a book haul last year, okay, 2021, and these book hauls were my what can I say, beginning book haul. So I just did a lot of hard work in selecting and buying those books, and at the same time I did those things out of a lot of curiosity. At the same time, this one that I'm going to show you right now, this book is my favorite. I always wanted to buy this book, and finally I've got an opportunity to have my hands on this book. So The Story of My Life by Helen Keller. Okay, this is how this book looks. All right, and okay, so this one cost me rupees how much? Okay, I'll just you can see here. Okay, you can see here, but the actual price is, it is given in dollars, so I can't tell you. Yes, so yeah, so actual price is here, 89 something. Okay, it cost me. So okay, no, yeah, I have the bill here, 89. This book cost me rupees 89. That's it. And this book has 407 pages. Bill quality is awesome. Fingerprint Classics. This is the publisher of this book. Okay, and look at this. I think Helen Keller's handwriting. I don't know, but it looks like this. You are amazed at all the things you know which are not on the examination paper. Deep. So this is the first book of this mini book haul. Okay, let's move on to the next parcel. Let's see. Again, I need scissors. Okay, so I'm excited to see what's there in this parcel, and yes, it's another book which I wanted to buy, but finally the book is pretty dirty, I love this kind of packaging, not this. This one is not my favorite. Okay, so this book cost me rupees 99, and Jerome K. Jerome, or Jerome K. Jerome, or whatever, I don't know the author's name, but here, 3 Men in a Boat. Okay, 3 Men in a Boat, a comic masterpiece. The Guardian comments about this book. Okay, so it has rupees 232 pages. Okay, published by Fingerprint publication. Okay, This is how it looks. It cost me rupees only 99. Okay, so 2 books from Fingerprints, and if you want to buy this book, then you can get the link in the description. Check them out. Okay, and again, I'm telling you, I have done a lot of book unboxing videos, book hauls, so you can check them out in the descriptions. Links are there. Also, you can check it out here. Check out here. Okay, all right. Let's move on to the next parcel. And by the way, if you have not started your reading journey yet, all you need to do is to grab a copy of any book and start your reading journey this year. And this is one of my favorite books, which I, all these books I have bought because I just have been browsing this book for a long time. So finally I put my hands on this book. Okay, so this one cost me rupees, again 98 rupees. 12 years a slave. 12 years a slave. Also, a movie has been made on this story, a true story. Okay, Solomon Northup. Yes, this is how it looks. Published by Fingerprints publication. Okay. And what difference is there in the color of the soul? Okay, so it has 253 pages. So you can check this book out if you want to read. I read some comments on Flipkart when I was ordering this book. Some people said that its language is a bit difficult, but you will definitely enjoy this book. Okay, so yeah, I've got a great deal. So I bought this book. Third book in today's mini book haul. Okay, wait. I have two more boxes that I'm going to open, and let's see what's there in this box. And guys, you people are supporting me and supporting our channel. This is a community, and you people are wonderful. You people are really showing your support by subscribing to my channel. And those who haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing to my channel, because it is really important for us to grow as a community. Okay, so please do subscribe and like the video and share the video with your friend. This one is bookmark, by the way. I didn't expect, but I've got the bookmark, so I'm happy. And let me put the box aside. And okay, If It's Not Forever, It's Not Love by Durjay Datta and Nikita Singh. Okay? Okay. I'm a huge fan of Durjay Datta. I read his book. The first book I read was The Boy Who Loved. Okay. And then The Boy Who Loved, and then okay, I can't remember, but yeah, so I actually fell in love with his writing. Till the Last Breath, yes, Till the Last Breath, it is a great book which I really appreciated. Pew was the lead character of that particular story, and she grabbed my heart, and I really enjoyed that particular book, Till the Last Breath. And also The Boy Who Loved, and The Boy with Broken Heart is left, so it is the second part, sequel of the book The Boy Who Loved. So I'm going to try it next. And this one I have bought because I have been browsing this book for a long time on Flipkart, so I finally decided to buy it. If It's Not Forever, It's Not Love, ladies and gentlemen. And here the pages count is, okay, so it has about 335 pages. Okay, 335 pages. This book cost me rupees 138, only 138. Okay, so I actually ordered this book day before yesterday, and today when I was checking its price, I saw that it was selling at rupees 111,111. So I got disappointed, but okay, no problem. So this is the fourth book in today's mini book haul. Book number 5, and this is the final box that I'm going to open. pretty curious, and at the same time pretty excited. Okay, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, it's my order, you have to do it. Okay, look at this. So deadly, isn't it? Anyway, I won't kill you, I can't. Okay, so let's see. This one is my favorite, but this book is not for me. This book is for my student, and she asked me to order for her, and I thought, yeah, this is the best time for me to order this book for my student. Okay? Alright. Now the sad part is that I haven't got any bookmark with this book. No. So I'm disappointed. Anyway. So Eat That Frog by Brian Tracy. Stop procrastinating. Get more of the important things done today. Okay? 21 great ways to stop procrastinating and get more done in less time. Like, this is my all-time favorite book on time management. If you procrastinate the most important work that you want to do early in the morning or first thing in the morning, but you are never able to do that, then I think this is the book which you have to read every single day. At least first thing in the morning, you have to pick up this book. You have to read chapter 5, Practice Creative Procrastination, which is my favorite. Page number 30, I still can remember. This book literally has changed my life. Page number 30, chapter 5, Practice Creative Procrastination. One of my favorite chapters. Beat little anecdote has been given in this book, which is about Warren Buffett's story. Okay, so you may consider buying this book. This is a fantastic one, tiny little book. Okay, it has only 119 pages. This book cost me rupees 141, and today when I was browsing this book on Flipkart, I saw the price has gone up. Okay, it was 171. So I got disappointed when I saw its price. I got happy when I got its price. Life is amazing, isn't it? So these 5 books, guys, I have bought costing rupees 555 rupees. Can you imagine that? I'm so happy. Okay, so these 5 books, look at this. These 5 books, oh, it looks amazing. Okay, these 5 books I have bought this month in February 2022. If you are here and you are watching my video without subscribing to my channel, please do that. Till then, I'll get back to you with another fascinating book review, book unboxing, book haul, whatever it is, you have to tolerate me. So till then, take care and bye.